Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can copy Instagram group chat link. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all we can go to our group chat, click on this icon to open the Instagram direct message, and here I'm just going to open my random group chat, this one for example, and we can click on the group chat's name. Okay, and here as you can see, this is the invite link of this group chat, and if we want to copy this group chat invite link, we can click on this invite link. Then you just need to click on copy, and now the invite link has been copied to a clipboard. Alright guys, and that's how we can copy Instagram group chat link. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.